Hey class 8th, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are start here for question number 6 of worksheet 3 and our chapter name is direct and inverse variation of DAV Maths class 8th. So our question number 6 is a train 350 meters long crosses an electric pole in 28 seconds. Find the speed of the train in kilometer per hour. A train 350 meters long crosses an electric pole in 28 seconds and find the speed of the train in kilometer per hour. In this question, we have given that a train 350 meter long which cross an electric pole in 28 seconds. Here, distance given is 350 meter and the time is 28 seconds. We have to find the speed of a train in per hour. Now I start here making table for this question here. So in the first box I write here distance. Distance which is in meter. In second line I write here time which is in second. So here distance is 350 meter. I write 350 here and the time is 28 seconds. I write here 28. In this we know that or we have find the speed of the train in kilometer per hour and we know that in 1 hour, per hour means 1 hour. In 1 hour there are 3600 seconds. So I write here 3600 here. And let this be distance be x. Here we have to find the distance. Now we will find out here that this is a question of direct variation or indirect variation. In this question we have given that here distance and time. We know that distance is equal to speed multiplied by time. Here we have distance and time. One from the LHS and second one from the right hand side. So here this is a case of a direct variation. So I write here it is a case of direct variation. And we know that the formula how to calculate the questions or find the value of the direct variation questions. Therefore A upon B is equal to constant here. So I write here 350 multiplied by 3600 is equal to x multiplied by 28 by cross multiply. I write here this. Now I have to find the value of this x from here. X is equal to 350 multiplied by 3600 upon this 28. Here this is a 0 at the ones place. Here 8 at the ones place. Both divisible by 2 here. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16, 0, 0. Again 0 and 4 which are divisible by at ones place which are both divisible by 2. 2 7s are 14, 2 9s are 18, 0, 0. Then 9 here 7 not divisible by 2 not divisible by 3 both. So from 5 6 7 8 here is 7. 7 ones are 7, 7 5s are 35 here 0. So from here x is equal to this 50 multiplied by 900 here. So from here this x is equal to 5 9s are 45 and 3 zeros are here. So I write 3 zeros with 45. So our answer here is 45,000 meter. Stay tuned with us for more videos. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. So that's all in today's video.